In this video, I'll show you how to add a practical EU withdrawal workflow to your WooCommerce store before the June 19th deadline. If you sell to consumers in the European Union, the new withdrawal button requirements mean many stores need a clearer and more structured way to handle withdrawal requests. WooCommerce does not include a dedicated workflow for this by default. So let's implement one. I'll be using SDP EU Withdrawal for WooCommerce. You'll find the link in the description. Let's start with the customer experience. Here, inside the customer account area, you can see the available orders. For eligible orders, the customer can submit a withdrawal request directly from their account. Let's open one. Here, the customer can review the order details and submit the request. The process is simple and designed to avoid back-and-forth emails. Many WooCommerce stores also allow guest checkout. If guest order support is enabled, customers receive a secure withdrawal request link directly in their order email. That means they can access the withdrawal workflow without creating an account. The process works in the same practical way, while keeping access secure. That means guest customers can still use the workflow easily. Now let's switch to the admin side. Here you can see which orders currently have a withdrawal request. Each request is stored in a dedicated workflow instead of being scattered across emails. Let's open a request. Here you can review the customer details, the order, the request history, and any relevant activity. From here, you can approve or reject the request. Let's approve this one. The customer is notified automatically. Now let's look at digital products. If your store sells downloadable products, this becomes especially important. The plugin supports withdrawal waiver handling for digital products. Customers can explicitly acknowledge the waiver during checkout when required. And if a downloadable product has already been accessed, the plugin can detect that activity as part of the workflow. Now let's look at the settings. Here you can configure the withdrawal period, country availability, guest access, customer notifications, and digital product behavior. The goal is not just adding a button, it's creating a practical workflow your store can actually use. And if you need advanced features like partial withdrawals, reminders, exports, or forensic compliance logging, those are available in the Pro version. That's how you can add a structured EU withdrawal workflow to WooCommerce using SDP EU Withdrawal for WooCommerce.